Mr. Austin and I came up with the Steps for Success program. We're both passionate about helping ex-offenders, the at-risk population in the district, with bridging the gap between themselves and barriers to success. We partnered with the Carpenters Union and Events DC and pulled together a great program designed to provide soft skills training, workforce development training, and then on Saturdays, carpentry training, which gives each participant the skills they need to advance in a career in carpentry.
It feels great. I work hard. I had some trials and tribulations through my life. I almost lost my life recently. I've been shot, I've been stabbed, I've been in a fire recently. I had to be around positive people to do positive things.
When you commit yourself to success, when you combine hard work with determination, the results will come. I joined the Carpenters Union, and I'm here to tell you I've never felt aligned. I've never felt out of place or without purpose, and I believe this is where you were meant to be.
There was a lot of talk today about family, and that's what CARP is. You are getting into a brotherhood and sisterhood, and this is your new family here. This is the family that you're going to be with for the next 3 years, involved with, and when it's over in 3 years, you will continue to be a part of this organization as journeymen and women and helping others that'll come after you.